Hey guys, I'm Philip, and this is the Nerf gun review of the longshot. Let's get into it. Now, first things first is this is a Nerf gun. Obviously, you can tell by the name right on the clip. Now, this is a sniper class weapon again. Now in the packaging, it comes with a scope, one clip, and the cocking back feature. Now, the cocking back feature comes separated into two pieces. One small piece of this, and the other with a long rail. Long piece of metal. And then you put this with, and you make sure it gets clipped in so you can cock it back properly. Now right here, this is for gun jams. You have to cock it back and then open that up and get the bullet out. They cock it back forward, put this thing up, it's ready to fire. Now the scope, it's not the best scope because you can't really see much through it. It's not close at all. That's how close it is. So really, this isn't a good scope, but especially got this blaster. Now, this gun shoots the elite size darts. It can work with any darts, just not the mega. Now, this is where you can add a modulus, an extension to make the barrel longer. And this tactical rail is for this scope. And you can customize it with any clip you have. Now this right here, this is to adjust it. If you want it like that, or if you want a smaller size, you just have to click this button, and then it shrinks down to the smaller size. Let me just get back. Now this is the test. This is for unloading. You cock it back, then you pull the clip, then you put a new clip in, then cock it back forward, and load it. Now this is the shooting test. Okay. The thing had some spring to it. Now this is a comparison to my first review, Doomland's Double Dealer. And this is a comparison to a future review, the Nerf Elite. The Nerf Elite Hyper Rifle. Okay guys, that's actually it for the video. I hope you liked it. For the review part, I'd give it a 9.5 because the 0.5 I find wrong is the bad scope it comes with. Now, I know you can customize it up with a different scope, but this is the only scope you can really get if you can't find any others. And it's just like it's like seeing what it's like it's not even a zoom. Can't even zoom in. It's just normal vision. It's just painted on glass. or plastic. I don't know what. It's plastic. Now, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, click the like button. If you liked, if you can, please share it with other people. It helps out my channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button. And if you want to know when I post a video, click the bell icon. And you'll be notified whenever I post one. This has been the Nerf gun review of the Nerf longshot. Nice, guys. Adios.